Greetings everyone watching this video. Now we are about to have a detailed insight on crude oil. We all know that the crude oil has peaked at $145 at the year 2008, and after that the crude oil has receded maximum of its gains, crossing more than 70% within a very short period of time. And this definitely signals a sound correction is undergoing right now. Let's understand the properties of the undergoing correction to predict the future moves. Here, this wave, which immediately plunged after the rally of the crude oil, is classified as a supercycle wave W, and this W is followed by a corrective wave X, and this corrective wave X is again followed by a correction in larger degree wave Y, and which is actually being retraced by the wave X. So now let's understand the properties of this X wave, a correction with respect to this Y wave in one larger degree. Here we can see that the correlation within the supercycle degree Y, this is a cycle wave W, which is followed by cycle wave X and continued by cycle wave Y, again followed by or corrected by cycle wave X, finally completed by a cycle wave Z. And this trend line even gives enormous confidence about the completion of the supercycle wave Y or completion of the cycle wave Z. So now let's understand the properties of this X wave as a correction to this whole Y wave from here to here. As it is already stated, this is the starting point and this is the ending point for the wave Y, and to plot the retracement of this wave X. As it is already stated that the X in the supercycle degree is a correction to this Y wave, which is immediately stopped by the 23.6% retracement value of the decline Y wave. And here let's understand the profile of the X wave in lesser degree so that we can have a greater insight on what is happening right now, and which will be greatly helpful to predict the future near-term moves. This is the continuing contract, and here the swap values and the mergings are actually not that particularly clear. So let's dig deeper in the individual months contracts. Here, this is the completion of supercycle wave Y, which is followed by the corrective wave X in supercycle degree. Here, this is the cycle wave W within the supercycle wave X, and this again subdivides into primary and intermediary in lower degrees, and we don't want to miss the whole analysis. So let's understand that the cycle wave W has been completed and the cycle wave X has also been completed as a retracement to the cycle wave W. Here, from this area to this area is cycle wave W's territory, and the X again has taken a 333 structure, finally ending the cycle wave X as a retracement to the cycle wave W at the areas of 0.618% retracement. And this gives us enormous confidence that the cycle wave X has already been ended and the ongoing move has no relationship with the X wave, rather it's a developing cycle wave Y. This chart in a daily degree provides greater detail about the wave X and the wave W in cycle degrees, and below which are given as the primary degrees and followed by intermediate degrees. As it is already stated, we are not going to deal with that. And however, this Y wave in cycle degree has already completed W wave in the primary degree, and the correction in the primary degree has also been in process. And after the completion of the primary wave X, the Y wave within the Y wave is actually going to happen. And remember one thing, that the Y can actually be stopped at this area 38.2%, which is coinciding with the $61.66 in price value. So have your trades perfectly upon this area. Any buy deal or any buy order has to be cautiously monitored at this area, so the market could reverse from this area and again to resume its downtrend to finish the supercycle wave Z. But we cannot surely say this at this point of time whether the Y wave is the last wave in the series of this X wave. Therefore, we advise traders to have an eye on our insights at that particular point of time. When the Y wave is actually about to complete, we can understand underlying psychological disturbances that are going to contribute for a Z wave within the supercycle wave X, or it's going to be a continuation for the supercycle wave Z. Thank you for watching this video, and we'd like to have a humble request. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel or our TradingView profile and bookmark the web page to stay updated with us. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.